Crave sent this battery bank for our review, and I didn't even know they made battery banks. I only thought they made really cool cases. So let's look into it. Check this out. This is how small it is. It is super, super nice. They call it the Travel Pro because, of course, it's going to replace those bigger banks that are really hard to travel with, clearly. But this is super sleek. And check this out. You even have like those 3 dots. So when you press on this, you actually know how much battery juice you've got left. So right here, comes right out of the box with about 50%. And here you've got your connections. So USB-C, this is the PD because the USB-C cable comes with this little thing, and this is how you would charge it with any kind of USB-A. Boom, you charge it, you've got your own block, I'm sure, and then you about 4.5 hours would fully charge this thing, and then over 14,000 milliamperes in literally your back pocket, which is cool. You've got USB 3.0, so that's obviously fast charge. This is able to do 18 watts, so you'll be able to fast charge your phones, any type of phones, really. You can even plug in with the USB-C, a MacBook, for example, like a laptop, and that would actually work because there's enough juice on here. And I want to show you how quickly this works. We're going to connect it right here to the USB 3.0, and then just connect it to a phone, and boom, as you can see, it is charging super, super fast. And yeah, this thing is so light as well, which I love. So it clearly, definitely is wearing its name really well, the Travel Pro.